Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to know how to create the project and also how to set up your project for the production. We will follow the React Native standard folder structure. So let's start with the practical first. First we are going to create the project. So I'm going to open my terminal. So this is my terminal. Let's open the terminal. So cd desktop and npx react native latest init first project. Just press enter. So just press yes. So the init command will be deprecated in the end of the 2024. So after that you can create your project with the npx with this command, community CLI. So yes, after this press yes to complete all the dependency. So I will come back in the short. So welcome back again. We have done all the dependency. Now we are going to open the project. So this is my project. Just open and paste it in your Visual Studio. And this is my project. And we have a Android folder, iOS folder, and Node module, and also app.tsx file. So my app will be run from this file. So first we are going to run our app in the Android, and you can also use the npm run Android, but I'm using the yarn. So yarn Android. So also I will show you how to create the Android emulator. So for that you just come to your Android Studio. So this is my Android Studio. Just open your Android Studio. So now we just click on the three dots. Just click on the three dots and Virtual Device Manager. And after that, create device. And you can press and next, and also which OS you want. Just click on the next. So it will create the device and finish, and your emulator will be created. So our app is run. So this is our app. So we run our app in Android. So now we are going to run our app in iOS. cd iOS. First we are going to install the ports. For the running your app in the first time, you should install your ports and iOS, and then you can run your app. So now I'm going to cd yarn iOS. So we run our app in iOS also. We can see Android and iOS both. So first I'm going to remove all the extra files like this. So first I'm going to start my view. And flex 1, and also we can see the app also, the text also. So now I'm going to create the folder structure. So first I'm going to create the src folder, see, then I'm going to create the screen, and also I'm creating the assets, and inside the asset I'm going to create the images, and inside the images I'm creating another folder with the name of the fonts. I will put all the fonts my assets folder, and then I'm going to create the component. After the components, so let me see. Yes, after the component, I'm going to create the navigation file. Navigation. I will put all the navigation in this folder. Another folder with the name of styles. I will put all style in this folder, and we have a utils also. Utils. Inside the utils, we have a URL. Inside the utils, we have the URL also. Inside the style, we have a style. Inside the screen, we have a screens. Inside the component, we create the custom component. So we can create the constants. Inside the constant, we can put our English file also, .tsx. en file also. We can put English file. We can also create the folder with the name of the Redux. So this is the React Native folder structure, and this video is for the beginner. So if someone is new and starting the React Native, so this video is for that persons. So see you in next video. With the next video, I will show you how to create the custom components.